Hey friends, Daily English Chat here. Morning routine, let's roll. Man, I'm already so late.
8:47. We've got like 13 minutes to reach the office. Hurry up, hero.
Wait, where am I? The thing to start the car.
Keys, dude. Just say keys.
Keys! Yeah, I always forget that word. Keys.
Grab the keys and let's move.
Okay, but today I have to do that small presentation thing.
Presentation. Say it slow. Presentation.
Presentation?
Close. The ta is soft, not shun. It's presentation.
Presentation. God, pronunciation is killing me.
Because you forget it every single morning. Come on, practice. Say, I'm giving a presentation today.
I'm giving a presentation today.
Much better. Now faster. The meeting starts at 9.
The meeting starts at 9.
Nice. One more. Sorry I'm late. Traffic was crazy.
Sorry I'm late. Traffic was crazy.
Perfect. That sounded supernatural.
Okay, your turn. Boss is going to kill me.
Boss is going to kill me.
Don't make it a movie scene. Say it normal.
Fine. Boss is gonna kill me if we're late again.
Again? What do you mean?
I mean, last week was the exact same drama. You late, me late, boss mad.
Yeah, that day boss said, "You people are testing my patience."
You people are testing my patience.
We both burst out laughing. Wait, teach me one more. When boss is super angry, what's the word? Shout?
Shout works, but most people say yell, like he's yelling at us right now.
He's yelling at us. Yeah, that sounds right.
See? You're getting it.
Grinning, only because you're my personal English teacher every morning.
Playful eye roll. Lucky you. Now say this fast. We're almost there. Don't panic.
We're almost there. Don't panic.
Good. One last one. I promise I'll be on time tomorrow.
I promise I'll be on time tomorrow. Yeah, right.
Grabbing bag. Okay, enough class.
Hayat.
Nope, English only.
Okay. All right, let's go. Boss is gonna kill us.
Smiling. Come on, run.
Okay, I'm running. Don't leave me behind.
Too slow. Last one to the elevator, buys chai later.
Unfair. My shoes are still untied.
Then tie them while sprinting, Mr. Presentation King.
I'm coming. Wait, elevator or stairs?
Stairs. Faster when we're this late. Plus you need the cardio.
You're evil, but fine. Stairs it is.
Race you to the ground floor. Loser says, "Good morning, boss. Sorry we're late," in the most dramatic voice.
Deal. But if I win, you have to teach me 5 new words tomorrow morning.
You're on. 3, 2, 1, go.
I think I won.
By half a second. Fine. You get your 5 words tomorrow.
Yes, victory.
Checking watch. 8:58. We might actually make it.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Smirking. Mostly my English coaching. Now come on, let's not ruin the miracle.
Together, jogging toward the office gate. Boss isn't gonna kill us today.